Would you like to do a different bread on a weekend? And I'm going to show you something simple, special to create in few minutes. This recipe you can make the day before and bake on next day. For this recipe I'm using 275 grams bread flour or plain flour, 125 milliliters warm milk, 2 grams salt, 10 milliliters oil, 4 grams instant dry yeast, 1 egg and 10 grams sugar. So let's do the dough first and I'll show the filling ingredients later. Into a mixing bowl, add the warm milk. Into that add the sugar and the yeast. Stir and leave to activate. Once the yeast start activating, add the egg, flour, salt and start mixing. After a minute, add the oil. Keep on kneading about 5 minutes. So the dough is ready and I'm going to take it out and leave in a warm place to double in size. So these are the filling ingredients I'm going to use for those breakfast buns. 1 can mixed beans, you have to pat dry on paper towels, and 2 sausages diced, salt and pepper, about a 1/4 cup of cheese just to bind everything together when baking, 1 egg, 1/4 bunch of chives with 1 chili, you can omit chilies from this recipe, and some oregano or any other herb as you wish. And all you need to remember is all these ingredients need to be dry, so make sure to pat dry everything on paper towels. So let's mix everything together. For that add the sausages into the bowl. Into that add the chives and the onions and the beans, cheese, salt and the pepper. Break the egg into that too. Bit of oregano. If you want to add any other spices or herbs, feel free to add. Leave all these ingredients aside until the dough is ready. The dough is ready and double in size, so I'm going to put the dough onto the bench, press and roll this dough to a rectangular shape. After, fold the dough in and again, and then roll again. I'm going to fold that dough again, press. Now roll this to a rectangular shape. After rolling the dough to a rectangular shape, put the mix that you prepared. Spread it evenly. Now wet your hands and press it tightly to go into the dough. Now slowly roll that dough halfway and halfway and bring this part like this. Take the dough into the middle, seal the ends thoroughly and press. and turn it over, seal the ends and press. And again turn, press. After, using a sharp knife, cut it into two, then divide that again back to two, and cut it into two again. Look at this, it's really beautiful. So put it on the baking tray. If you feel that the mixture is coming out, you can always press it like this. And make sure to leave space in between. It will rise again. Now again, before putting it to rise, press. Cover from a wet cloth, and this goes back to a warm place again to double in size. So it's ready to go to the oven, and I have 1 egg yolk with a tablespoon of milk. Going to brush the top. If you want to add some seeds on top, I'm going to add some flax seeds. You can add sesame, poppy or chia seeds on top. And this goes to preheated oven, 200 Celsius, about 20 minutes. So the bread is ready, and I just took it out from the oven. It took only 20 minutes to bake, and this is how it is. It's a really nice soft bread that you can serve for breakfast, dinner or even for lunch, and this is a good meal with everything in one. And I hope you will enjoy this. Thank you for watching.